Hi guys, Neci LoveHarmon here of Whatsshecreating Enterprises, and today I will be showing you how to insert the top thread and to thread it properly of the Brother XL2600i sewing machine. So let's get started. Threading the top thread is essential to having a perfect stitch. So the first thing I'll do is take my thread. I'm going to put it on the sewing machine as such, and the first thing I'm going to do is follow guide number 1. Guide number 1 states to take your thread and you're going to put it behind this little metal clamp and bring it forward. So that's the first thing that you do. So I'm following guide 2 here. Guide 2 says go down, so I go down. Guide 3 says go back up, so I go back up. Now this is a tricky part. So next thing I'm going to do is take my hand wheel here. I'm going to make sure that the lever is up. The pull up lever is up because it can be down in this position, but I'm going to pull it up. So with the thread, I'm going behind and I'm coming forward, okay? And I have just put the thread inside of it. Hopefully you can see that. So I'll do it one more time for you. I just take this and I'm doing like a wrap around, Go behind to where the thread almost touches this part. And then I just come right back around. So if you just do like that, there you go. So it is threaded in there. It's attached to the machine. And now we can keep moving forward. Now we are at this fun part. So we go down and I'm going to find a clamp here. Okay. I'm going to put the thread in here. I'm just gonna kind of just wrap it and put it right within there. So I put it through that clamp, and there's 2 ways you can do. You can put it straight through the needle. I take my thread, I put it through the hole of the needle. Like that. And then I put it through the toes. And they can go, and this is the presser foot, so I put it through the presser foot, and I usually call this the toes because these are the toes of the presser foot. So I put it through the middle of the toe and then I push it to the back. Now if you have issues with threading a sewing machine, this machine has an automatic threader, okay? And that is how you complete the top threading of this machine. Thanks for watching this tutorial. Subscribe to our page and check us out on social media. Give us video ideas and happy sewing.